Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Carolyn and her clothes and this week's purchases. So I'm going to start with what I'm holding here in my hand. This is a little rhinestone bag with, I guess, silver accents that I purchased from Amazon. It was $26. I'll give you my links below so you can see exactly what it is I purchased, and no guarantee the prices are going to be the same when you purchase, but you can get an idea. As many of you know, I'm going on a cruise in March, and I have like a dressy little black bag and a dressy little silver bag, which I am going to donate because they're probably about 30 years old or more, no joke, and they're so small I can't fit a cell phone in them, all right? And that kind of defeats the whole purpose of having a little bag, right? What are you gonna put in it otherwise? A lipstick? You know? So this is perfect. It's a cute little bag that will fit my cell phone. It might even fit my regular wallet in this thing. So yeah, I'm very happy to have this, and it's a great size for a little evening bag for my cruise. All right. Next up, I have on a White House Black Market jacket, which I will take off in a minute and show you. I cannot tell you what this jacket is made of or how to care for it because that is not in here. I looked everywhere for it. I purchased this in my usual size 4. Sorry, it's not size 4. I don't know what I'm talking about. My usual size extra small. Give you an idea about this jacket. It's $175 retail. They were having some sort of sale. I think it was like $89, and then I had rewards. So I got a pretty good deal on this jacket. I think I paid like $75 for it. Look at me some details about it. You can see maybe that there's shoulder pads. If you're going, oh, I hate shoulder pads, well, guess what? They're removable. That's one nice thing about White House Black Market. Yes, your clothes are expensive, but there's a lot of detail and a lot of thought put into their clothing, most of the time. And they do last well, and I have stuff from White House Black Market from years ago. So it does have a button closure, which I would never wear a button, but I wanted to show you that I could easily wear a button. It is more of a fitted style with this peplum bottom here that does seem to go all the way around the back. I would not go down in a petite in this one. This one I would stick to the regular sizes because otherwise it would just be too short. I'll give you another second about this jacket. It has like this like braided detail here, and I believe, yes, it goes all the way around the back as well. And this is a cute jacket, silver buttons, and it has snaps here on the sleeves, not buttons, and that makes it easy if you want to unsnap it and roll it up, which is what I did, and that's probably how I'd wear it. So this jacket is definitely a keeper. Again, sorry, I can't tell you the cleaning instructions or what it's made out of. I mean, it feels like a cotton spandex blend, very, very stretchy, very comfortable. And these are the kinds of jackets that I always need a third layer because I'm always cold, no matter what. And I think I'm kind of more or less done with getting more faux leather motos because I have so many of them. And I don't necessarily want a blazer because I think that's a little bit too corporate looking for me. And I like to have something a little, jazz to it. And this gives it some sass, right? So I'm very happy with this jacket and glad it went on sale. Yes, I have an olive blazer. Yes, I have an olive field jacket, but I think this is kind of a completely different style and more, it's a pretty dark colored olive too. Underneath it, because it was also on sale and it went so well with the jacket, at least I thought it did. I'm gonna actually look in the video to make sure it goes. If it's like an off a shade, I might end up returning the top. But here is the top. It's a sleeveless, as you know, I love my sleeveless mock necks. It has the peekaboo cut out right here. This is 36% rayon, 64% rayon, 36% nylon. It is a tad bit scratchy and a little snug around the neck, but that stuff doesn't usually bother me. Again, my regular size extra small, good in the armpits. Again, I'm gonna look in the viewfinder and see, or the video, and see whether or not I like it, as to whether or not I keep the actual top. But the jacket is definitely a keeper. I paired it with a pair of just plain old bootcut jeans from Can that I got from a Stitch Fix. Now, the shoes are brand new, and I'll take off the shoes in a minute to show you. These are some high heels booties that I got from Stitch Fix. I saw them, they're by Vince Camuto, and I was like, ooh, those clothes have my name written all over them. So I broke down and I ordered them. Give me a minute. I'm going to turn off the camera and take off the shoes and show you these sneakers. Give me a minute and I'll take off the shoes. Okay, here are the booties that I wanted to show you. They probably have a good 4-inch heel, but they're extremely comfortable on considering the heel. Zip on the side. They are leather, very pointed toe. I believe these are called the Pintando booties. I'll give you the information below in the description box, you can see. But these are a definite keeper. I didn't have any nice dressy heeled booties like this, and I actually have space in my booty section. So yeah, these are a keeper, black, they're gorgeous, and these I am extremely happy with. And again, I got them from Stitch Fix. All right, and that wraps up this week's purchases. Thank you again for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed already, why not? And click that notification bell to get notified of future videos from me. Take care, till next time.